Hello friends! If you think that making pizza at home is not good as having it from a eatery, well, this video is going to change your mind. Why burn your pocket if you can make delicious homemade pizza which looks and tastes as good? Well, let me show you guys how to make your favorite pizza at the comfort of your home. I'm going to go for a healthier option which is wheat pizza without any yeast. Why to wait? Let's go and cook pizza. First, let's see the ingredients required for making the pizza base. We will take 1 cup of wheat flour, two pinch of baking soda, half tablespoon of baking powder, one teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt. Let's add some yogurt and mix well. Guys, let's knead the dough well without adding water. Let's slowly add some more curd until we get a smooth dough. Our batter is looking good. Now we will see a sticky consistency. We have to further knead the dough for another 2 to 3 minutes by adding olive oil. I am taking here 1 tablespoon of olive oil and kneading it until I get a smooth dough. Now let's sprinkle some atta. We'll place our dough in that and we'll equally divide it into 2 pieces. We can make 2 pizzas from this. If you want thin crust, we can easily make 3 also from this. Now let's roll our first dough portion and make a pizza base. You can do it with your hand or even roller. We'll place our pizza base in our pizza tray and fold the edges. Now I am going to take a fork and going to make holes in the center. If we miss this step, our pizza base will puff up too much. Now gently spread the edges with melted butter. We will add pizza sauce now. I bought store-based pizza sauce. You can even prepare it at your home. Now spreading the main part of the pizza. Yes, it's mozzarella cheese. Spread it evenly across the pizza. Now let's top up with veggies. I will add corn, red capsicum, onions and some black olives. You can add any of your favorite veggies. Guys, our yummy, delicious, piping hot pizza is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video and you will try to make pizza at home. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.